Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everything's going well, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Melissa, and for today's video I have for you this amazing olive green makeup tutorial. I know it's very dramatic but so glamorous at the same time, and I really like it, so I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And as you can see here, I used just a little bit of glitter to stand out the colors even more. So to start off this look, I'm gonna use a good eyeshadow base. Today I'm using, as always, P.Louise eyeshadow base in the shade number 5. I'm gonna apply all over the eyelid using a concealer brush, and I'm gonna apply a little bit in the lower lash line as well. And if you don't have this eyeshadow base, you can use just a little bit of concealer. You just need a good base to apply the colors on top. And now for my black eyeshadow base, I'm gonna be applying a gel liner, and this is Wicked by Sigma. I'm gonna apply in the outer corner of my eyes and also in the lower lash line with an angled brush. And next I'm gonna just change the brush and blend the edges of this gel liner. So as you can see here, I already have a tape in the outer corner of my eyes, and it will help me to create the shape of my makeup look already. So I don't have to worry about the outer corners, I just have to blend the edges. For today's look, I'm gonna use Darling Palette by O.TWO.O Cosmetics, and I'm gonna start off using the black eyeshadow to set the black eyeshadow base that I applied before. As you can see here, the black eyeshadow base is very dark, but I have to set it so I will prevent my eyes from creasing. And I'm gonna apply with a fluffy brush, as you can see here, to make it easier to blend the edges. This palette is affordable and so good. I really love the O.TWO.O palettes, and I recommend them all to you guys because they are so beautiful and high quality, and the pigmentation is amazing. As you can see here, it's very good and affordable. So I really recommend for you to try this out. And now I'm gonna just blend my crease, and this will be my transition shade. I'm using a warm brown eyeshadow with a smaller blending brush by Sigma Beauty. All the brushes that I'm using here are from Sigma Beauty. You can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off in sigmabeauty.com. Next, I'm gonna apply this beautiful green by side of the black eyeshadow that I applied before, and I'm gonna apply this shade using a concealer brush just to pack it on, and you know, it works better like this. So I'm gonna be applying a little at a time, and this color is so beautiful and very pigmented. I just need to use a small amount of eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna apply this gold eyeshadow by side of the green. And to highlight the tear duct area, I'm gonna apply the lightest shade from the palette in the inner corners, and to apply I'm gonna use a very small brush. And to finish the eye makeup look, to blend the lower lash line, I'm gonna be applying the same brown that I used before and a short shader brush. And also I'm gonna apply glitter. I'm using the glitter by NYX, and I'm gonna use the gold shade, but I want just to use a little bit of glitter in this makeup tutorial, so I'm gonna use a concealer brush to apply. I want to use a small amount of glitter because I don't want to take off the focus of this beautiful green. So to conclude this look, I just have to apply fake lashes and it's all done. I really like this look, how this look turned out. I think it is so dramatic and so beautiful at the same time and glamorous. So I really hope that you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. This is really important. Also follow me on Instagram to see more pictures of my work. And comment down below what you think about this makeup look and what you want to see next here in my channel. I will be so happy to know. And I see you later in the next tutorials. Mwah. Bye!